Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Burnet Hill Elementary School in Livingston, New Jersey. My first time getting to visit here. I had two separate programs today. The topic was bullying. Look at the heart first. And it's such a joy to get to share my heart with the home of the Bobcats. Standing outside one of their bulletin boards in the hallway, kind of tied into today's topic, right? It says, all you need is love. Love is all you need. And there's all these hearts that are drawn throughout the board, right? Because the whole part of the message, the main focus was to look at the heart first, right? That our heart is big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this, right? Peace sign, one finger being ourself, the other someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves, but also two, because in just 2 seconds, we have that opportunity to change a life forever, maybe even save a life, right? And that means we have to see people for their heart first, just like you see your best friend, but also for this as well. Every talk that I give, I talk about this concept that we all have with the lines on our hand, the letter M, right? Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one on each hand. I trace one of mine here. And this M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. But like the front of my shirt says, we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to really buy into that, right? We have to believe that ourselves so we can go out and be that light to someone else's heart. And to know that we have this power to make a difference, even at a young age, the students really grasp that. And I was so thankful that so many of them, shared their heart with me afterwards, said, hey, Mr. Peace, what you shared really touched my heart. I said, that's great. That means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others going forward. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some motivational videos, some inspirational, positive music, I was able to really hammer the points home of compassion, of kindness, of empathy, right? Treating ourselves the way that you want to be treated, like the golden rule concept, and really just trying to say, hey, what we are doing to ourselves, to others, all of that matters, right? And even if we're hurting, even if something we've gone through is still heavy on our heart, we can turn hurt people who hurt people, the biggest reason that I see why people bully, into healed people who heal people. And so again, there were pin drop moments throughout both presentations where I know that both the youth, the young people, and the adults really got what I was saying. And that's always my goal, just to really make sure that they understand that they're loved, that they can feel safe, that they know that they're not alone, that there's people out here that believe in them, love them just the way that they are, just like all the adults here at Burnet Hill and any school that I visit. And I think once we take that to heart, well, then we go try to mirror that as well, right? That people aren't cruel. In general, we're all just mirrors. And sometimes we choose to reflect the hatred instead of the love, but we always have a choice to rise above that hate and hopefully reflect the kindness that was shown to us. So thank you all for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. I really appreciate the opportunity to come and see everyone here. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.